my dear students, today we are going to discuss magnetic field lines and their properties. The magnetic field is a space where there is an influence of a magnet. There are different types of magnets: bar magnet, a horseshoe magnet, a needle compass. All types of magnets have two poles: north pole, which is indicated by N, and south pole, which is indicated by S. Every magnet has a field around it. The area where the power of magnet exists is known as magnetic field. The magnetic field can be illustrated by magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines are imaginary lines around the magnet. This concept can be clarified by doing a simple experiment. Fix a sheet of white paper on a table and place a bar magnet at the center. Sprinkle some iron fillings around the bar magnet. Gently tap the table. It can be seen the iron fillings align themselves in the specific pattern which represents the field of that magnet. If these patterns observed clearly, it can be seen that iron fillings are accumulated near the poles, whereas concentration is less in the region away from the poles. Magnetic field lines have various properties. First, the magnetic field lines never intersect each other. Second, it takes the least resistance path between the opposite magnetic poles. Third, the length of magnetic field lines will be same. Fourth, within a material magnetic field, lines flow from south pole to north pole, and in the air their direction of flow will be from north pole to south pole. Fifth, the magnetic field is a vector quantity because it has both magnitude and direction. How to draw magnetic field lines? Magnetic field lines can be drawn by using a compass, bar magnet and a chart paper. At first, fix a paper on a drawing board, place the bar magnet at the center and mark the position with a pencil. Keep the compass near to any one pole of a magnet. Make sure that there is no other magnetic materials nearby. It can be seen that the compass arrow is pointing to some directions. Make a dot in that direction, move the compass from that position and place it on the dot in such a way that the base of the arrow is at the dot. Make a new dot in the direction where the arrow of the compass is pointing now, until the compass reaches the opposite pole of the magnet. Repeat this procedure, join the dots, again come back to the previous position and repeat the same steps by starting from a new spot. After drawing a number of lines, it can be seen that the lines are forming a closed loop, and this seems to start from one pole of the magnet and ends in another pole. This is the method to draw magnetic field lines. Earth's magnetic field. The study of earth magnetism is called terrestrial magnetism. Evidence of Earth magnetic field was first given by Sir William Gilbert. Based on some experiments, he found that Earth shows some magnetic properties and it has a magnetic field. If a magnet is suspended freely from a thread and is allowed to rotate in a horizontal plane, it will ally automatically in the north-south direction and comes into rest. Alignment of the magnet will be in such a way that the north pole of the magnet is attracted towards the geographical south and south pole of the magnet is attracted towards the geographical north. The second evidence is that there are some neutral points in the magnetic field lines. Magnetic field due to the magnet which is used to draw field lines is cancelled by the Earth's magnetic field. Without Earth's magnetic field, these neutral points cannot be seen. Third evidence is that a soft iron becomes a magnet if it is buried under the earth in the north-south direction. Thus, it can be concluded that the north magnetic pole corresponds to the south geographic pole and the south magnetic pole corresponds to the north geographic pole. Now, making your own magnet, you will need a pair of stainless steel scissors, a bar magnet or horseshoe magnet, paper clips. Making a magnet. Take a scissors in one hand, hold the magnet in your other hand. One of the magnet's poles should be facing the scissors. Stroke the scissor with one pole of a bar magnet in one direction. When you reach the other end of the scissor, lift the magnet and bring the same pole back to the starting end of the scissors. Stroke again in the same direction. After 20 to 30 such strokes, the scissors gets magnetized and can now be used to lift paper clips or other magnetic substances. So you can make your own magnet. Permanent magnet. A permanent magnet is one which retains its magnetic field even after the external source producing it is removed. For example, a bar magnet. Temporary magnet. Temporary magnets are materials that behave as magnets only when an external magnetic field is present. For example, electromagnet. Difference between permanent and temporary magnet. Permanent magnet. Permanent magnets have the magnetic properties even if the external field is 0. Temporary magnets have magnetic properties only in the presence of an external magnetic field. Permanent magnets are usually made of hard materials. Temporary magnets are usually made of soft materials. Permanent magnet produces comparatively weak magnetic force. Temporary magnet can produce very strong magnetic force. Permanent magnet are used in electric motors and generators. Temporary magnet used in cranes and electric bell. Thank you.